Our strength is that we do everything in the production process from A to Z, we would say. We produce not only the locks, but we even produce the tools to produce the locks, and we produce even tools to quality control the parts which are produced by our tools.
So that means that these guys are making all their own tooling. When they meet a modern challenge, they can change the process somewhere to evolve with the challenges the world keeps throwing at them.
We are right now in the tooling department. Here the tools from the tool makers are combined with the tool blocks. Right here we see a complete opened up tool block for the border folding lock link. So this is one link out of the folding lock.
I got to make a Bordeaux lock. It was very intuitive, and the machines did all the work. You could see the precision right in front of your face as the locks are made. And when you make your own tools, you have complete control over the manufacturing process. You don't have to rely on somebody outside of your process to make a piece of your product. You want to know that in the end, the product is a manifestation of your name. Your name's going on it, and it has to be up to your quality standards.